problema. My friend Mauricio works at the puppy grub factory, so I always have plenty of dog treats. Are you all right, Bo?
Oh, yeah. I'm just raking the yard and helping out Jaden. And Violet and Axel. And Popcorn. But I got it all under control.
You know, when the restaurant's busy and I'm overwhelmed, I try to finish one thing before I start another. One task at a time.
Enough treats, Popcorn. It's time for lunch.
Speaking of lunch, I've got a delivery for your parents. Can you please take it inside?
Of course.
Thanks, Bo. Hasta luego.
Sorry it's a little late, Popcorn, but here's your lunch. Popcorn? Popcorn, where are you? Is Popcorn in the backyard?
Nope. What's wrong?